Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope everyone is doing great. It's Friday, guys. You know what? Yesterday there was CPI, and you know what? We did not actually make. We were not actually profitable, which is part of the game, guys. So yeah, we actually lost that one. But with not a crazy big or crazy amount, but the market actually was not moving that crazy like the way we were expecting. But beside that, it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna recover. Everything's fine. So, what's really happening? It's Friday. It's still January. So what we have here, I have some good news for you guys. You can see the package beside that. You can see lifetime is $250. So especially as this is just January, I'm just going to make a favor actually to say everyone who just want to join lifetime, get that for $50. So it's going to be limited for only 20 people. Get lifetime signals for $50 and it's lifetime. You pay once, right? $50 you pay once. So again, for those who wants to be part of this, if you want to be trading the news, there's new strategies that I'm still going to share in the group. We still very few. I think we still like 3 or 4. So yeah, you still have time to join our news trading. This is a new group. So if maybe you want me to trade for you, there it is. If you have 300, and this one is going to end actually next week. I said the third week of November. So if you want to be part of the team, I actually need 5 people that I'm going to start next week. So because I know that we left with very few days or few weeks, so that we can finish with the first group before we start with the other one. So, but if you want to be part of the team, just let me know how it works, guys. How this thing works is it's just quite straightforward. You have to have 350 in your account, like plus 350, 400, 500, it's fine in your account, right? So what we do is I change that amount. Actually, I change any amount, but the minimum should be $2,000. When I'm done, your account should be on $2,000. Do we split the profit? Nope, we don't split the profit, as you're going to pay upfront fee of $250. Then you just enjoy your profits. Yes, we're not going to blow the account, rather not reach the target exit at the right time, but we're not going to blow the account. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, if you don't really have enough time to trade and stuff like that, there it is. If you have, then I can trade for you. If not, you can still have to join the $50 lifetime signal. Simple as that. So yeah, let's see what's really happening actually on the market. Today we actually started with USD Canada. What's really happening on USD Canada? We see that the market is doing what? The market is now trying to push the lower side. I think I did tell you about this. Firstly, we see that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. I like this type of an uptrend because it's not really that aggressive. Do you see that? The trend is not that aggressive. So after that, the market started to be like seriously aggressive. The dollar was seriously stronger. And when we go further here, we see that the market created something like a support area where the market broke out, and I see a retest. Then that's why I said we should have a something there. We should have a sell pending order. Actually, I did show you this actually yesterday. I hope you can see that we had a very nice trade there. That is actually our sell stop. So I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower and lower until we reach our next support. Because on this situation here, or this structure, we have another, look here, we have another support area where the market can still push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on Euro USD. What's really happening? Quite similar to USD CAD. The market is still actually on a very nice uptrend. Now the euro is getting stronger. We had a nice resistance there and also some sort of consolidation. Now the market seems to be doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. So let's push there and try to see what's really happening. You can easily see that yes, the market actually is still trying to push the upside. The market was consolidating because of CPI, but guess what? The market just broke out. I think I did show you about this yesterday. I did show you this thing that the market is doing what? The market will be breaking out. I don't know if we did take the trades there or something, but I did take, but I think the market did sell a little bit before pushing up, but it's fine. What do we say? What do we know now? Currently, we know that we are on a very nice, very strong uptrend, but we know that there is a chance or a time where the market can just reverse before pushing up. If you miss that, that's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. Just relax, because we're gonna get another nice structure that we can just jump on. Sometimes other weeks the structures are seriously bad, but so don't force yourself to trade when you don't see anything. Relax, 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 relax. Smash that subscribe button. So now we also smashed USD. When I say we lost yesterday, guys, it's not like we lost everything. You can see that some signals we made something. You can see, and I did talk about this on the daily analysis. You can go back and try to check that. Go back and try to check that. So what's really happening is, yes, the market was actually still on this downtrend, and on top there we can easily see that we still have our stronger resistance area. Do you see that? We still have our strong downtrend line. The resistance is still very strong. The bearish momentum is still very, very, very strong. So when we go closer there, you can see that the market was actually playing around my resistance, and you know that the market is supposed to respect that. Guess what? We had a very nice sell stop there. Guess what? The market did push and touched our profit. Now the market broke out again, so it means the market can still push and reach this area there. But unfortunately, I missed this one because of this load shedding, because the power is always off on our side. So yeah, it means if we missed that there, it's not like we lost, we made something. So we're going to have something like this. If the market will reject, or if the market will come back and bounce back, we're going to have a trade around that area. I hope you see that. Yes, the market is still on that very, very strong bearish momentum on USDJPY. So it's like everything against the dollar is pushing. Everything against the dollar is pushing. What's really happening on gold? This is gold, guys. Gold on a flying, actually on a bullish momentum. You can easily see that the market is doing what? It's on a very nice bullish momentum, and the trend is also showing that the market is respecting that very nice. Do you see that? So now where we are here is we were on this area, so we're expecting the market to do what? To push the upside, and it seems like the market is doing that. The market is actually continuing with that. So what we had was, we had this area as a resistance, and the market was just playing around. You can see this candlestick where the market pushed lower, then pushed up. But what I like here is the market already created something that I actually like. You can see that we have something like a resistance there. So it means if maybe you did not buy or you did not do anything, yes, you're still safe. You can wait for the market to do what? To break this area before you say, I'm going to jump on gold. But for now, let's relax, because there's a chance for the market to sell, to respect this area and push up, or maybe to come around this support area before pushing to the upside. So what we have now is we're going to wait for the market to break that level, and above that, we're going to have something like that. Do you see that? So don't go and try to enter this on 4 hours time frame, because that is going to be like seriously big. So try your best, try to go to a bit smaller time frame and use that as your entry. I don't know your entry strategies and stuff like that, so you're supposed to apply your strategy. So what's really happening on US oil? Let's firstly zoom out. So I hope you can easily see that yes, the market is being actually on, okay, sorry, the market is been actually on a downtrend. You see, the market is been actually downtrending. So which means the market, we still expect the market to do what? To push lower, even though the market sometimes is trying to push up and stuff like that. But we know that the market is doing what? The market is trying to push lower and lower. So what do we see? Let's see. If we go closer there, we see that, oh, the market tried to push lower, but it seems like the market is trying to push the upside. Let me try to draw a proper line. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm not going to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to relax, wait for the market to create something for me. Let's see. Maybe something like this. But it's better for me to wait for the market to create something. Maybe the market wants to create a structure to reach this area and create something like. Sometimes we force things. You can see that the structure doesn't really make sense that much, but guess what? You will be trying to get something where you see that you don't actually there's nothing. That's why we actually lose, because we just try to find things where they are not there, because we can't relax. We always want to trade. That's the problem with us. We just want to trade non-stop. Sometimes, some weeks, we just need to relax. And even if we don't really trade, that's fine. We don't really have to fight the market. I think I see something like this. It's like the continuation of another downtrend there. Do you see that? I think the market might create something like that. So I think we might be on a very nice position to do what? To have a sell stop there. Maybe around this area. I did not see that one coming. You see these areas, they make sense. They actually make sense. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually show me if maybe it's going to bounce back. Then we're gonna have a nice sell there. Do you see that? So if it's like that, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, I'm expecting that. I will be sending the signal after this video. I think we might have something like that. That might be a very nice sell if the market respects that. But anyways, we will just wait for the market to show us something, as we don't just do what we think, we do what we see, as the structure is telling us that it's a very nice time to do what? To have a sell stop. So what's really happening here is we are actually, I think the market touched our resistance. I think maybe now is that time where we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to sell. I think now is that time where we're supposed to do what? To sell, as the market reached the area. So let's try to see, just for everyone to understand what's really happening. Firstly, you can see that actually the market is on what? It's on a downtrend. The market is actually downtrending. And you can see that actually the market touched something there. The market touched something there. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep maybe pushing lower and lower. I'm expecting maybe to see a very nice sell. As you can see, this is our resistance, and it seems like the market actually touched that. So it means we might have something like this and say, you know what, where the market respected, it's fine. We might have something like this. And yeah, it will depend. Your profit will depend actually. So as we are actually on a downtrend, I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. Yes, sometimes the market will try to push up, but at the end of the day, we know that we are on a downtrend, and I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep selling. You see, so okay, it's fine. So let's see then. Let's push to the next one. Sorry, let's push the next one. Okay, so what's really happening here? We are on NASDAQ. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually on a very nice, very nice. You can see that. Very nice downtrend. So, and it seems like the market is very closer to our resistance. So there is a chance or a room for the market to do what? To respect that. And sometimes the market won't just do that instantly or something like that. The market might play around before that. And if you check, you will easily see that, you know what? The market actually is already on an area that we can call a support or a previous support Now that might be our resistance. So we can just wait for the market to push a little bit lower before we can say that it's a sell. So what we can do is we can just try to remove some few lines. I think this one is also the one that I can remove. This one is another one that I can remove. So yeah, now we have something like this. So my job here is to wait and see if maybe this area is going to be broken. If the market is going to push the upside, that is fine. It means maybe the market will be trying to break this resistance, but I'm just going to wait. If the market doesn't do that and respect this area and start to push lower, then I'm going to say, you know what, I'm going to have something like this and start to see what's really happening. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Then if we can have a sell pending order there, I think the market can give me a very, very, very nice sell. So before we call it a day, remember, if you want to be part of the team, we have a special until month end for everyone to join the team. Lifetime signals for what? For $50, actually for only 20 people, actually you guys here on YouTube. Right? If not, if maybe you don't really have time to take trades and stuff like that, you can let me trade for you. Let me trade for you. Let me trade for you if you have like 350 plus, or even if maybe it's not 350 exactly, if it's 300 somewhere there, just let me know. Then maybe I can try to help you. And actually, that's why this year, actually, I don't want to go and do the mentorship and stuff like that. I just want to focus on trading. I will make sure that we reach whatever that we're supposed to reach, so that, yeah, we can actually be professional traders. Everyone should be. If you are saying you are a trader, you should prove that, you see. So yeah, the fee is actually $250 upfront fee, no split, in a period of 30 days. We can still adjust that if maybe we miss our target, but that will be between me and you, right? So yeah, I think maybe if maybe you want to join my trading, news trading or fundamentals, just let me know, because that is also lifetime. That price is going to change. Remember, this is just a fresh actually group, so let me know if you want to be that part of the team. So yeah, if you want, someone opened the door there, so sorry about that. So what's really happening is, if maybe you want, you can see the services there. You can see lifetime is $250. I'm saying now it's $50 for 20 people. If you want to join, let me know. And another thing for this, guys, I forgot. For this one, guys, this is going to end actually next week. There's next week, which is 3rd week of January. Then I will be focusing on those accounts non-stop. So you still have time to join. Only 5 people. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. Again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friend, and thanks to everyone who already subscribed. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot. I will see you later on. Bye.